Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English B grammar page number 55. Topic is subject, verb, agreement. Students, now let us start. Point number 1. वर्ब को हमेशा सब्जेक्ट के मुताबिक होना चाहिए, यानी सब्जेक्ट अगर वाहिद है तो वर्ब भी वाहिद होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस नंबर 1, द प्लेयर प्ले क्रिकेट. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस. द प्लेयर प्लेज क्रिकेट. दिस इज करेक्ट सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 2, आई इज अ क्रिकेटर. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस. I am a cricketer. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 3, Ali are sleeping. This is incorrect sentence. Ali is sleeping. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 4, you am a doctor. This is incorrect sentence. You are a doctor. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 5, he have a calculator. This is incorrect sentence. He has a calculator. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 6, she go to school. This is incorrect sentence. She goes to school. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 7, he are my friend. This is incorrect sentence. He is my friend. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 8, he take tea. This is incorrect sentence. He takes tea. This is correct sentence. Next point number 2, सब्जेक्ट अगर जमा है तो वर्ब भी इसके मुताबिक होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस नंबर 1, दे एम ईटिंग मैंगोज. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस. दे आर ईटिंग मैंगोज. दिस इज करेक्ट सेंटेंस. Next sentence number 2, I is sleeping. This is incorrect sentence. I am sleeping. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 3, the boys is running. This is incorrect sentence. The boys are running. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 4, I reads a story book. This is incorrect sentence. I read a story book. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 5, she buy a book tomorrow. This is incorrect sentence. She will buy a book tomorrow. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 6, I see a snake yesterday. This is incorrect sentence. I saw a snake yesterday. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 7, we watches TV. This is incorrect sentence. We watch TV. This is correct sentence. Next sentence number 8, we works in fields. This is incorrect sentence. We work in fields. This is correct sentence. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ complete हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.